Hey everyone, this is Next Archer. Just wanted to make a video thanking a fellow YouTuber who showed me how to open a balisong correctly. I'll have his username below because I don't remember how to say it or really what it is. So here's my Walmart special, but I can now open it correctly. As you can see, I took a Dremel to it, so it has like a sharp part there. I tried to make serrations, but that didn't work. So, I know how to open it normally now. But as you can see, my knuckles are all worn out because I keep letting it hit my knuckles like that. But I can get it so it doesn't hit now. Yeah. I used to just be able to throw them around like nunchucks. I've been doing that for like an hour. Ow. Okay, but thank you. Subscribe to him, and you'll be my friend forever. I'll see you guys later. Bye.